In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're looking to update your website's look or just exploring some fresh design concepts, this step-by-step guide will help you easily make the switch. Let's dive in and transform your website with just a few clicks. To begin, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry. There's always an option to reset it via the login page. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Website Builder section. You'll find it in your dashboard, and it's the gateway to creating and customizing your website with ease. Now that you're in the Website Builder, let's direct our attention to the left-hand side menu, where you will see a Design tab. This is your go-to section for all things related to the overall look and feel of your site. Click on Design, and then you'll want to select Templates. Here's where the magic happens. In the Templates section, take a moment to browse through the variety of design options available. Hostinger offers a plethora of templates catering to various industries and styles, so you're bound to find something that fits your brand perfectly. Don't rush this part. Spend some time to explore the different possibilities, keeping in mind how each template complements your content and overall design goals. Once you've found a template that captures the essence of what you're looking for, click Apply. At this stage, it's important to remember that applying a new template is a significant change. Your site's existing design will be replaced, but don't worry. All your content will stay intact, and you can adjust the new template to suit your needs. With the new template applied, the next step is customization. Hostinger's Website Builder is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to easily modify text, images, and layout elements to make the design your own. Spend some time here tweaking the details, perhaps changing the font style, adjusting colors, or inserting specific images that align with your brand's identity. This step is crucial as it ensures that the new template truly represents your vision. Once you're happy with your customizations, it's time to see it live. Make sure you save your changes first. Saving regularly is a good habit in case of any unexpected issues. You wouldn't want to lose all your hard work. Lastly, hit that Publish button. This makes your newly designed site available for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your website's template using Hostinger Website Builder. I hope you found this guide helpful, and your website is now looking fantastic with its new design. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features in Hostinger to continue enhancing your online presence. See you in the next video.